Officers assigned to Hollywood Division responded to a radio call of a man with a gun in the area of Cherokee Avenue and Hollywood Boulevard. Here's the 911 call and radio broadcast from this incident.
LAPD 911, operated 369.
Hi, there's a man with a red shirt and a black hoodie on Hollywood and Cherokee, what looks to be a pistol in his hand.
Is he black, white, Hispanic, or Asian?
He looks white, yeah.
And
white.
I'm sorry, what street did you say he was on?
Right now he's on Cherokee and Hollywood, and he's walking towards the Chinese theater.
And he's carrying like what appears to be a pistol?
Yep. And he's just like screaming and harassing people as he's walking.
He has it out in the open view, right? Not inside a sweater or anything like that.
No, yeah, he's holding it.
Okay.
Holding it, walking around, playing with it.
Give me 1 second. Let me get somebody going. Hollywood units, 450 man with a gun, Cherokee and Hollywood approaching Las Palmas. Male, white, black hooded sweater, red shirt, carrying a pistol, yelling and harassing passerbys. Code 3 incident 1932 or D636. Hollywood units and 6863. Addition on the 415 man with a gun. Suspect is a male, white, red shirt with a black sweater under black pants, passing Las Palmas, approaching the Egyptian Theater. Hollywood units in 6863. The suspect has passed McCaden in front of the Scientology, pointing the pistol towards the security guards. Additional incident 1932.
As officers arrived at the 6700 block of Hollywood Boulevard, they saw the suspect walking westbound with an object they believed to be a firearm in his right hand. They exited their vehicle and gave the suspect commands to drop his gun, but he refused to comply and continued to walk away. The suspect then turned to face the officers while still holding the object, extended his right arm in the direction of the officers, resulting in an officer-involved shooting. That suspect was later identified as Matthew James Sova. Sova was struck by gunfire and transported to a local hospital by the Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics, where he was pronounced deceased. Body-worn video cameras are used by most officers assigned to field duties. They are worn at chest level and capture a general perspective within line of sight from that angle. The angle of the camera prohibits viewers from seeing everything the officers saw and experienced. Upon activation, both audio and video will turn on. However, body-worn video cameras have a buffer of video without audio from the previous 2 minutes prior to activation. This feature is designed to capture incidents that occur suddenly, where an officer doesn't immediately activate the camera. Here's body-worn video from the officers involved in this incident.
Hey! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Move! Drop it! 6836. Officer needs help. Shots fired. Hollywood and Highland.
This officer needs help. Hollywood and
Drop
Highland.
it! Drop it!
Officer needs help. Hollywood and Highland. Shot fired. Any air unit come in on Hollywood frequency?
And why? You got it.
6836. Shots fired on city top. Suspect is right now.
Get me, hey, hold the shop up, give me my first aid kit.
Here's video captured on nearby surveillance cameras. The object that Sova pointed at the officers was later determined to be a metallic butane lighter with a pistol grip handle. A folding knife was also recovered at the scene. Matthew James Sova was a 48-year-old resident of Los Angeles.